You know, my Jamaican people. You see, as we celebrate Jamaican 60 years of independence, this is one of my proudest moments, one of the best facts out there. Do you realize that Jamaica is the only country in the world that them flag don't include the red, the white, or the blue? Yes, man. We are the black, the green, and the gold. And so we big, we bad, and we bold. Yes, this is things to be applauded, things to be proud of, things to tell the next generation about. Make we keep we culture alive. Yes, my nanny Lynn used to say, I know every day, or I know the same time, when leaf drop a water bottom that it rotten. Yes, you know what that means? Situation and relationships can be delicate and they can deteriorate gradually. So we must take pride, hold on, and don't take people or things for granted. Yes, we as Jamaicans, we used to take pride and we need to get back there. So, I know same day leaf drop a water bottom that it rotten. Take pride and don't take things and people for granted. Wow, good, yes, man. Jubilee and enjoy and wear your black, green, and gold with pride, because we one in the world and make it right. Ay, ay, ay. So, what good? I stay hip you here, humble, intentional, and prepared. Yes, man. I am Dr. Sue, and I am a cultural ambassador. Me here to help keep we culture alive. Follow me. Follow me on my website, drsueandyou.com. That's the letter U, DRSUEAND, the letter U.com. Me on Instagram, Dr. Sue D, and Twitter and Facebook, Dr. Sue and You. Look out for me, all right? Come together and make we keep this rich culture alive. Ay, ay, ay.